Solving equations with 0, 1, or infinitely many solutions. For each equation, choose the statement that describes its solution. If applicable, give the solution. So I have two equations here. I'm going to start with the first one, so I'm going to rewrite over here to the side. So I have 5 times y plus 2 plus y equals 3 times the quantity, or parentheses, y minus 1, and then plus 1 on the outside. So I'm going to start. First thing I need to do is simplify left and right sides separately. So looking just at the left, I have 5 times y and 5 times 2. So 5y plus 10, and then bring down the plus y. And then combining like terms here, my 5y plus y gives me 6y plus 10 on the left. So now simplifying on the right, doing the same thing, distributing and combining like terms. So 3 times y and 3 times negative 1 will give me 3y minus 3 plus 1. This time my like terms are the constant terms, so I'm going to combine those two together and simplify to 3y minus 2. So now I'm going to eliminate this 3y. So I just keep the y term on the left. So I'm going to zero this one out and then balance the equation by doing the same thing on the other side. So after simplifying, I have 3y plus 10 equals negative 2. Now I want to eliminate the constant on the left by subtracting 10. Then I'm going to balance my equation by doing the same thing on the right. So 3y after simplifying equals negative 12. Last step, divide out my coefficient, and y is equal to negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. So this equation, I was actually to follow the process through, solve it all the way, and come up with y equals negative 4 as a solution. So this one has a solution. It's a one solution equation, and the solution y is equal to negative 4. The solution is y is equal to negative 4. So now I'm going to go to this next equation, okay? So negative 6 times the quantity w plus 1, and I'm going to zoom out a little here just to give myself a little more room for solving, okay? So negative 6 times the quantity w plus 1 plus 8w equals 2 times the quantity w minus 3. So again, right and left sides separately. First thing I'm going to do is simplify by distributing and combining like terms. So negative 6 times w and negative 6 times 1 give me negative 6w minus 6 plus 8w. And then combine like terms on this side. 8w minus 6w will leave me with 2w, and then my constant term minus 6. Okay, moving over to do the same thing on the right side now. Distribute and combine like terms if I can. So 2 times w will be 2w, and 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. I have no like terms I can combine, so I'm just going to bring down both terms. Okay, now, right here, I notice that I have exactly the same thing on both the right and left sides of my equation. I have 2w minus 6 on both sides. So right here, I can already tell that this is not going to solve to a single solution. But if I keep going, my next thing would be to try to eliminate one of my variable terms. So if I subtract 2w on the right to try to eliminate my variable term over here, and I have to balance the equation by doing the same thing on the left, my variables completely eliminate from both sides at the same time, and I'm left with negative 6 equals negative 6. So if my variables all drop out and I'm left with a true statement, negative 6 does actually equal negative 6, then I know that I have all real numbers as solutions.